Hi, I'm Adam Littman. I'm one of the paralegals here at Thompson Law, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about being an insurance adjuster and how that helps us serve you better in personal injury claims. Many of the paralegals here at Thompson are prior insurance adjusters. I was working in the insurance industry for about a decade and I'm still a licensed insurance adjuster here in Texas. Personal injury claims are complicated, and the insurance companies go through a pretty formatted process in handling those claims. Our experience doing this allows us to best prepare your case not only for their system, but should it go to trial later. Our experience knowing how insurance adjusters review and evaluate injuries, property damage, as well as liability laws helps us again navigate your case through their system. Many of our people here have been working in the insurance world for well over a decade, and so this certainly gives us a leg up over the competition.